When you are going to the customer, you must have this so that you'll be able to check the proper signal with it. I'm using the rover. This is the meter I use to check my signal. So this device is very important. It's true that it's expensive, but it's very, very important. This is a smart LMB. Actually, this smart LMB could be working again just because this part here is damaged and water is getting in here. This is very important because this thing can damage your LMB inside. So for this customer, we have to change this smart LMB. Actually, I have changed it. I put this one, as you can see, the brand new. You can see the difference here. See, here and here. So the customer call us, and then we have to change it, as you can see now, for this dish. So our job will be to put the new LMB as I have put it, and then set the dish so that we can get our signal properly, and the job will be done like this, guy. The job will be done. Yeah, so I have to tight this one there. Normally, well, this one needs to be tight properly. I will do the other cable. This one is properly done. I'll do the other cable, and then we're gonna put it. Universal signal you can test with this one, and unique cable signal you can test with this one. Yeah, now we're going to go down and check, make sure the signal is back. Yeah. Yeah, the picture is perfect. It's now working. Thank you. Yeah, most of the time we just go to the customer just to change the LMB just the way you guys have seen it. I changed that LMB, and it's very good to have your meter. You know, I'm using the rover. This is the meter I use to check my signal. So this device is very important. It's true that it's expensive, but it's very, very important. This tester is a signal finder, a digital signal finder, is a rover. It's very, very important. When you are going to the customer, you must have this so that you'll be able to check the proper signal with it. Universal signal you can test with this one, and unique cable signal you can test with this one. Okay, if that one doesn't work, I also have another small digital. This is another small digital meter which also allow me to test my signal so that I can find a good signal for my client. So as an installer, you definitely need to have one with you so that you can use it for your installation. It's very, very good. So it's very good to have your signal finder, and then you can actually get a proper signal. But you know, in certain case, use a small satellite finder like this one, but this one will take you more time to catch the signal because you have to connect it to your decoder. With the other two signal finder, I don't need to connect it to a decoder. I just have to be in front of the dish. And this one, you cannot check the unique cable signal. So the signal is going to your Explorer, you cannot check with this. So yeah, this is maybe for a simple use. Maybe you just wanted to do it by yourself at home. You connect it to your decoder, you connect it to your dish, and then you play around to get the signal. But if you're a professional, you must get maybe a smart digital meter like this one. You must have something like this, or if you can invest a little bit more, you get something like a rover. digital as well, which allow you to catch a lot of satellite signal. That was very interesting to talk to you guys. I just wanted to let you know, if you don't have a signal finder, you may take hours and hours to catch your signal. But if you got your signal finder, a proper one, you can take 30 minutes to set your signal. As you can see, I have to go, guys. So subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you. See you next time. Next time.